to give our cousins our presents and they're gonna be so excited. Hey guys, today we are doing another Fin Fun haul and we are having different Fin Funs. Woo! Let's see what's inside. Alright, these ones are for us. 1, 2. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, this is so cool! Mine's pink and blue. Mine's pink. And purple and pink and pink and blue. Sparkly. And so cool. And it also comes with some tops. Whoa! This one's mine. What's this? Hard to see inside. We have to show you. Okay. Might have to take out this one first. And this one is the top is so pretty. I can't take mine out. Oh, now it's gonna go so nice with my collection. It smells like bubblegum. Can you please open this? Yeah, sure. And this? Yes, of course. It's the same like mine. Yeah, it's really pretty. Wait, did we get mixed up? Oh. These are yours. This is mine. Because I just was like, I saw it, I read it on the tag, it's like, this one's kids. I'm like, oh really? I got mine. My pants. So you got this one, Charlie. And I got this one. Wow, that's so funny. I got Tropical Sunrise. And I got Maui Splash. Wow, that's a good name. Yeah. I think she's either her or her. Because they both have blue tops like this. A huge thank you to Fin Fun Mermaids for sending us these tails. We're so grateful. Yeah, we're so grateful and so lucky. We love them. This haul isn't just for us, it's also for our cousins. They're gonna love it. Should we see what they got? Yeah, let's see. Okay. Shark blanket and another shark blanket. Oh, I'm opening this. Let's try these sharks on. No, I think they're for Ollie and Jacob. We're gonna give you guys a sneak peek at these and then Jacob and Oliver are going to try them on later. Wow, this is so cool. They're gonna love this. Yeah. Well, they're boys and this is sharks, so they will. Whoa! I bet this is Ollie's. Yeah. Whoa, gee, this is really big. I bet this one's Ollie's. I bet this one is. This is the little hoodie part where you can put your head in there and it's like the mouth and it goes. Ow. They'll say soft. Like this. And like this. Oh. I think that they are going to absolutely love these. Yeah, they'll just be like playing with them at night like, oh. That's what they usually do. Let's see what else they've got. And they've also got shark fins. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. They're going to absolutely love this. We have to show you guys these shark fins. Awesome. Whoa, it's blue. Oh my gosh. Bite out of it. So you can put these on your back and scare people. Yeah, like, I must have Ollie's because that's smaller. I think they're the same size. Wow, I can't wait to see their faces when they see this. It's gonna be so cool. Yeah, they'll be like, ah, jumping and jumping and jumping. And I bet they're gonna scare us like 1,000 times with these. We'll be like playing mermaids and sharks and then they'll be like, rah, they'll be like, ah. We're going to give these to the boys and we can't wait to see how excited their faces are gonna be. Because it's so cute when they just hop up and down and just scream and stuff. And they're so excited. Just adorable. Adorable little things. Let's go, Ash. Yeah. Ooh, don't forget these. They're gonna love it. We're about to give our
cousins have presents and they're gonna be so excited.
Like Jacob is right now. So free. I'm so excited.
Are y'all ready? Set it. Ta-da! Shark fins! Ultra rare!
Shark fins, ultra rare, Jacob. It's a shark fin. You're gonna be a shark in the pool.
Woo! They strap onto your back so you can pretend to be a shark, and you can even scare your parents. Sounds
Even
like
scare
a great
Papa.
idea. Woo! Donna. So when we're playing
Papa would love
this. When we're playing sharks and dolphins in the pool, now you can be a shark.
Yeah. You can get us. I bet this helps you swim fast.
Oh yes.
This
Just
is
like how
pretty
you
awesome. Oh, I bet you can move your back a little bit. And it would make this thing go like paddle.
Oh, yeah.
A bit swishy.
It'll be like
Yeah,
Donna,
squishy.
Donna.
And it'll also help me paddle. Whoa. How much do you love it, Jacob? What? You said like you were doing this. Wow! Could you do that again? Yeah.
Go on. I think you guys deserve one more present. Open up your bags.
No. Pull out. Ready?
What do you
What
think
is it? Is it another shark? Yeah. This is a shark. Whoa! It's a shark. Isn't it cool, Jacob? Yes, it's a shark. Even got his little fin here.
Oh, wow, that's a pretty cool shark blanket.
Yeah. See, if you just like this one.
Need some help?
No. See, Jacob?
Got it? All right.
Jacob? Yeah. Okay. This is the nice blanket.
Oh yeah, it's super duper comfortable. When
Oh, everyone, try to be a shark on land. Go on, try to be a shark on land. Oh, there's a shark on the land.
Alright, Ash, now that the boys have got their presents, we can head up to the beach with our mermaid tails!
Since mermaids love to go to the beach, here we are. And we love to go swimming, same as mermaids. So, to your friends and subscribe. Bye!
See ya!
Bye!
Don't forget to punch that like button
And share that video.
and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
And don't forget to check out our new animation that's coming out.
Crafty Kingdom! Hit the bell next to the subscribe button to get notifications on when we get up new videos.